What is string methods? The process of manipulating with strings is called string processing, and the methods which we use to work with strings is called string methods. So let's see with some examples. So here's our JavaScript window, and it's an HTML page. Here's a basic code for our HTML page. You can see this on our previous videos. And under the script tag, I wrote my JavaScript program, and you can also make an external JavaScript file using .js as an extension of your file name. And so let's look at this example. So here's the first string methods we're going to use, and it is string.indexOf method. It will take a value from a string, like here. Suppose I've created a variable called myString and I assign it to a string called hello JavaScript. So I wrote a JavaScript method for printing this in our web browser called document.getElementById. So that means the element which has the ID of demo, like here. Here's the paragraph tag, and I assigned it to the ID of demo. So the method which will have the ID called demo will print the same thing which I assigned. So I assigned it to .innerHTML, so that means it will print all the things in my HTML file. So I assigned it to myString, which is a variable, and I use the method .indexOf, and I give it the value O. So it will give me the output 4, since it has the string, and JavaScript counts the strings from the 0 position. So that means is H at 0 position, E at first position, L at second position, and double L is second position, third position, and O is at fourth position. So .indexOf means the first occurrence of a specified letter in your string. So the first occurrence of my letter O in my string is at position 4. So if I run it, then you will see, save it and run it. So here's that. The output is 4. So let's change the value of O to the L. Okay, so save it and run it. So here you can see the output is 2, and here there are 2 L's in my string. So the first occurrence of L is at second position, so it gave me the value 2. And let's see at second method, it is last index of. So it will give me the last occurrence of a specified letter. So now if I run it, then it will give me the last occurrence of L in my string. So the last occurrence of L in my string is at position 3rd. So it is at position 1st of L, and this is 3rd. So save it and run it. Okay, it's not working. So change it to the last index of. Save it, then again run it. Here you can see the output is 3, since first occurrence of L at second position and last occurrence of L is at 3rd position. So let's look at third method. So here's our third string method. It is string.search, and it takes a value as a parameter, and this method is same as string.indexOf. That means it gives the same thing, mean the first occurrence of a specified letter. So here's it, myString.search L. So here the first occurrence of L at position 2, so it will give me the output at 2. Here you can see it gave me the value 2. Since it is same as indexOf, so we can use either of them. So here's it, fourth string method, and it is string.length. So it is used when you wanna know how many letters does your string have contained, and the method of writing it like myString.length then semicolon. So if I run it, then it will give me the all number of string letters in my string. So since notice JavaScript also counts the white spaces or blank spaces as a letter place. So if I run it, then it will give me the output of 18. So that means there are 18 letters in my string called my string. So it is really useful. So here's another string method called string.split, and it is used for splitting the string from a specified place. So here I write my string.split and I didn't give it any value, so it is an only string. So if I run it, then you will understand. Save it. Here you can see it gave me the every letter of string with enclosed with commas, and it gives you the every position after every position letter. And if I change my string by like this, h dash a dash l dash l dash o, and I gave it the dash and I save it, then it will give me the new result h comma e comma l comma l comma o. So it split the every letter by the position of I gave it called dash. So it is really useful. So if I write another, it is a sentence. So there is a apple, and if I split from the white space and save it, so it will give me the there comma is comma a comma apple. So it split the every position of space. So that was the string.split method. So now use second new string method called string.substring. So it is not pronounced as exactly substring since it is sub str, but it is also substring. So it is also a pretty straightforward method and useful. So it takes the values like numbers as a parameter. So if I wanna print the exact number from a specified place to last position, like starting point to end position, so I'll write like my string dot substring between 0 position to 6 position. So it will give me the numbers between 0 to 6 as the output. So here in my string at position 0 it is t, and at position 6 it is white space. So it will give me the output there. So if I save it and run it, then you can see they're there. So let's change the values of starting out parent and endpoint like 6 to 10. Then it will give me the values from position 6 to 10. So let's see what is output. Save it and run it. So is a apple is a substring from position 6 to 10. So here's another string method called string.substring. So it is exactly substring, and it is also same as substr. So you can use either of them. So it is also giving me the values from position 1 to 3. So if I run it, then you can see at position 1 there's the h, and at position 3 there's the r. So it gives me the her. So thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you in the next video, and see you soon.